Hi, Rog here and welcome back. Just look at all these lovely cooking apples. These were given to me by a very kind neighbour. Thank you, Janet. Very kind. Now I've got to think of something to do with them. I know. For a start, we'll make an apple pie. For this sweet short crust pastry, I'm going to use this trusty food processor that I've got. It'll just make life so much more simple, and I've used this many times before and it works out perfectly. Now firstly, I'm going to add 225 grams of plain flour, a tablespoon of icing sugar, 110 grams of butter that has been cubed, and 1 whisked egg. Then on with the lid, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to pulse this. It's the easiest way to do it. I've done it many times before and it seems to work out fine. I'm just going to pulse this, add some really icy cold water, not too much, just enough to make this resemble breadcrumbs, which is the best way to describe it really. There we are, that's done. That didn't take long at all, did it? Now I'm going to roll this into a ball, put it in cling film and put it in the fridge for about half an hour, and then it'll be ready to roll out. Then I can take this trusty pan of mine that I've had for years. It could go straight in the oven, this one, so firstly I'm going to give a generous coating of butter, so that our pie doesn't stick. Then we can very carefully go on with the pastry. Tuck that down into the edges like that. I've rolled it out quite thinly. We don't want it to all pastry and no filling, do we? The quickest way to neaten this off is just to take your rolling pin and just go over the top. Like that. This spare can make the lid. For the filling I'm going to use, it's about 300 grams of these cooking apples, and I've taken the skin off and cut them into small segments or cubes if you like. Those in there. 50 grams of light brown sugar, that goes in. 50 grams of white sugar, and that goes. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a dessert spoon of all-purpose flour. And we can give this a good mix. Put the apples into the case. There we go. Now we'll just go around the edge with a little bit of this egg wash to help the two pastries join together. Then carefully on with the lid. As you can see, I'm not very careful, am I? Yay! There we go. Now if I take a fork and carefully crimp around the edge and just trim off the excess. You can carefully make a few incisions in the top of this apple pie to let the steam out, prevent the pastry from going too soggy. Then over the top with some egg wash. Then into the oven, gas mark for about 30 minutes. or until it has a golden brown crust. Well, look at this, this is just so good. And even better with some ice cream. Oh, this is lovely. You can taste the cinnamon and it's really crispy on the outside, look, or should I say crusty. Well, thank you for watching this video. Hope that you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, that would be great. And I shall see you again next time. In the meantime, I think I'm going to finish this off.